Guys, today I want unboxing something that I never eat maybe in 3 or 5 years, maybe more. This name is in Indonesian Manggis. You see this one? This is the flower. There is a 5 flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's mean inside of this the manggis. There is a 5 manggis inside. Let's we see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, the white one is come. Oh no, guys. Oh my god, I'm sorry, it's so hard because I just use one hand. Ooh, you see this flower? It will be 5. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more inside. 1, 2. Okay, wait me. Ta-da! Check it out. You see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the meaning of this one. Sometimes it's not the same, but ratherly always the same. Okay, guys, this is the manggis. Bos.